Hello buddies, welcome back to yet another video in our channel. So today what are we gonna discuss? So this video is not for photography or filmmaking in specific. It's more of a general for all the content creators who are watching this video. So yes, if you're a content creator who makes videos on Instagram and who just instructs or teaches people on Instagram live and all, this video is for you. So as a content creator, we will be expecting a little bit of return on investment for all the works that we do in a platform called Instagram, right? From February to March alone, within 1 month, its viewership has increased to about 70%. We as a content creator work hard in creating all those contents that we post on Instagram, right? So Instagram has decided that this is the right time to roll out its monetization features for all its creators out there. So today we are gonna see about the Instagram monetization and all the ways it's gonna help the content creators of Instagram. So before getting deep, let me introduce myself. I'm Cario. We talk photography, filmmaking, and all other social media stuffs that really helps these content creators. So if you're new here, do consider subscribing, and you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at Girish Cario. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So you have some good news and bad news in this video, so watch this video till the end to get a complete idea of Instagram monetization. So guys, you are a content creator, you have many questions related to this Instagram monetization that I'm gonna just clear today. You have questions like how much will I get paid, and what are the rules to be followed while creating a video for monetization, and what are the basic requirements to be monetized in Instagram, and what are the conditions that you need to follow to make a video a monetized video. So you have lots of questions peeping out in your mind, right? So we are gonna just solve all these questions in today's video. So first, let me say how you are going to get monetized in Instagram. So Instagram has decided to give you money in two different ways. One is by providing you badges on your live videos. So if you're going live, you will have badges on your name, so that if any of your followers buy those badges, you will get the monetization amount from Instagram. So those viewers will have some special features, like all their comments or all their chats in a live session will be highlighted, and they will have some more special features. So that's how they can buy those badges, and the part of the money from those badges that the customers pay or your followers pay will be deposited in your Instagram account. So that's how a live video will help you to get monetized. So the second way Instagram decided to give you money is through IGTV videos. So for this, you have some eligibility criteria that we'll discuss now. So the first condition is you must have an authentic and establishment presence in Instagram. So your account should not be a fake ID. So you need to have an authentic true account, a genuine account in which you're gonna try to monetize your videos. So the second condition is your content must be your own content or the content that you have rights to publish. So you must not use any other contents, or you cannot use someone else's videos to get monetized in your Instagram. So this takes us to the third condition, which is that you must follow the intellectual property rights, which means that you must not use someone else's video or audio or music, whatever it is. You must not use their which you don't have rights. For example, you must not use any movies songs in your videos that you don't have any rights. So if you use those videos or those audios in your videos, then your video will not be monetized. So the fourth condition is, for monetization, your video must be a minimum of 2 minutes of length. So if your video is about 2 minutes of length, it will be considered for monetization. And the fifth condition is you must have your video titles and description only in English. So apart from this, we have some leaks that are not yet officially confirmed that these are the rules for people to get monetized in Instagram. That is, you should have a minimum of 10,000 followers on Instagram, and you must have at least 30,000 views in your Instagram videos. It's actually a total of views of all your videos. So these two are leaks. Actually, we did not get any official confirmation on these conditions. These are the 5 eligibility requirements for your videos to be monetized on Instagram, and the 2 leaked eligibilities that are not yet officially confirmed. So now let's see how the ads will be available on your videos. So generally the ads will be seen only if your follower just clicks on the Instagram IGTV button in your preview video. So for every video that you upload, you must just check that preview function so that you have a preview of your total video on your profile. So whenever your follower just clicks on the IGTV button on the Instagram preview, so it takes you to the IGTV view in your mobile, right? Then you will get a 15 seconds ad. So once you are monetized, you will get a 15 seconds ad on your videos, and those ads will be vertical. So you will get a 15-second vertical ad in your Instagram videos if you are monetized. So you have a bad news here. I'm sorry to say that, but it's actually the truth. So till 2020 December, you will not be into this plan. So on the testing phase, around 200 Instagram accounts are just involved in this IGTV monetization testing. So till December 2020, this testing process is planned, and in 2021 this will be rolled out to all the users of Instagram. So by the time maybe you can just clear up all the eligibility criteria, and so that in 2021 you can get your videos monetized on Instagram. So the next question you will have in mind is like, does Instagram provide creator studio like YouTube or Facebook? So YouTube and Facebook has creator studios where you can just see your insights, how many people watch your videos, how are the views, how much revenue you earn from YouTube or Facebook. Those kind of stuffs you can see that in the creator studio in YouTube and Facebook, right? So similar way, you will have a creator studio in Instagram as well, where you can check the revenue, your views, your watch hours, whatever it is, you can just see that in your creator studio. So the next question you will have in your mind is, when I will receive my payment? About how many days after will I receive my payment, or how many months after will I receive my payment? So this is also not an official confirmation, but we have leaked news that Instagram will be providing you your payment every month. So if you're monetized on Instagram on June 1st, on July 1st you will get your first payment from Instagram. So for every month you will be receiving your payment. So what you have in mind earlier, but I didn't just discuss about, right? The question is, how much percentage of revenue will Instagram pay me? So this is the main question everyone watching this video will have. So it's same as the industrial standards like YouTube. Instagram is gonna give you 55% of the revenue that is going to be earned by you. So from your videos, whatever the earnings that Instagram gets, it takes 45% and gives you 55% of money. So that's huge, right? So just think, you're gonna get 55% of the revenue from Instagram. So this is the question you are waiting for a long time, right? So yes. So these are the monetization conditions, eligibility criteria, and things you need to follow to get monetized in Instagram. So it's not yet officially confirmed. Till December 2020 it will be on testing phase, where 200 Instagrammers, of which most of them are celebrity, are selected to test this IGTV monetization and live story monetization and all. After this testing till December 2020, in 2021 Instagram monetization will be officially rolled out. What else, guys? That's it for this video. I hope you got an idea of all the monetization eligibility criteria, conditions, and things that you need to follow to get monetized on Instagram. So by December 2020, make sure you just complete all these conditions and get ready to earn money from Instagram. If you like this video, do hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram at Girish Career for some crazy photography and filmmaking ideas. So that's it for this video, guys. We'll meet in another video. Until then, it's Career signing off.